Okay, si KillSwitch ba or si Daphne na OEM case? KillSwitch will cost you around 5,000 pesos more or less depende sa exchange rate, while si Daphne OEM case naman will cost you 700 pesos depende sa sale at depende rin kung anong voucher yung magagamit mo. So, what is the difference? Actually, ramdam mo ang difference once you subscribe to my channel. So, isang click lang yarn dito or dito. Okay, si KillSwitch weighs 145 grams while si Daphne OEM case weighs around 113 grams. Bali yung case lang yan ha. Si Daphne, yung TPU material niya has a very close feel doon sa actual housing ni Steamdeck. So wala siyang any types of form or grip, whether sa texture or sa rubber material. Mas manipis din si Daphne case and halos lahat ng case is made out of this TPU material. Yung travel case, halos same lang sila ng quality ni KillSwitch, kaya lang yung sa Daphne medyo matalim yung edges niya. And also, mas malalim yung compartment ni KillSwitch for the analog stick. Hindi naman naiipit yung L3 and R3 button kahit na nakakabit yung travel case. Kasi as you can hear, ayan, napipindot ko pa actually yung L3 button. All of the buttons are accessible, the ports, and yung vents, actually okay din naman sila. May cover din yung volume rocker and your power button ni Daphne. Kaya lang medyo nauusi lang ako doon sa earphone jack. Si stand, okay din siya, stable din, kaya lang madali ito mabali kapag nalaglag mo yung Steamdeck while naka-engage yung stand. And also, you're wondering kung kasya siya doon sa free travel case ni Steamdeck. Actually, yes, kasya siya kung hindi mo ikakabit yung travel kit. Kaya lang, nung tinest ko siya sa JSOX na dock, unfortunately, hindi siya compatible kasi nga built-in na yung stand. So, naging makapal yung case. So, ang nangyayari is, nagli-lean forward yung Steamdeck doon sa dock. So, hindi talaga safe na gamitin siya with that dock. Or actually, kahit ano atang dock, ganito din ang mangyayari. Pero okay naman yung USB plug. Umaabot naman siya doon sa port ni Steamdeck. So, sa 700 pesos, ano ba yung tinipid sa kanya? Well, first is yung seam. So, mahawakan mo lang siya, actually mafe-feel mo yung hati. Yung edges din is medyo matalim, lalo na dito sa L1 and R1 button, and dito din sa top area. Mafe-feel mo na nag-level down talaga yung quality niya. Well, ramdam na ramdam. Kasi ba naman 7 times more expensive si KillSwitch. So, what is good kay Daphne? Actually, doon sa KillSwitch review ko, I mentioned and complained about the L1 and R1 button na tipong mag-a-adjust ka pa on how you would press those buttons. Si Daphne, okay siya kasi mas manipis yung material na ginamit dito. So, in a sense, mas konti yung material na haharang doon sa way ng fingers mo. It also covers all of the areas na madalas is may contact yung palms mo while holding it. So, that will definitely lessen the wear and tear of the device. And mas mura din, syempre, si Daphne. So, Ian, anong feedback mo? Actually, i-giveaway natin to plus isang pair ng analog grip, so watch till the end of the video. Mas magaan si OEM case ng 32 grams, kaya lang hindi mo talaga siya feel, hindi mo maramdaman, so halos parehas lang yung weight nila. And obviously din mas feel mo ang premium construction and premium materials ni KillSwitch, like wala siyang seams, flawless yung construction, and hindi rin matatalim yung edges niya. And the textures, the grip materials. So once na hawak-hawak mo si KillSwitch, confident ka na hindi mo siya malalaglag or anything. Pero Ian, marirecommend mo siya? Actually, yes. Kung bibili ka lang naman ng TPU case or cover, much better na to kasi number 1, meron na siyang kickstand. And versus doon sa mga generic soft TPU cases, mostly din is covered si Steamdeck. And also dahil sa travel case, mas convenient talagang, alam mo yun, bit-bitin si Steamdeck. Hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng specific bag para sa Steamdeck. I mean, you can just put it in any of your bag, backpack, or whatever. So, ayun, laking tipid na rin. Second, yung mga imperfections ng case, like yung seam at yung sharp edges, pwede mo naman silang iliha, di ba, para maging smooth. And 700 pesos lang siya, sobrang affordable at matiming ka pa sa mega sale or sa tamang voucher. Man, napakamura. Or kung yung ultimate feel talaga ang gusto mo and wala ka namang issue sa budget, then well, go ahead and buy the D-brand KillSwitch case. And if you want to watch my full review on that, just click here. And also, the giveaway mechanics, subscribe lang to my channel and Comment ka lang kung ano yung best thing that you like about your Steam Deck or your future Steam Deck kung wala ka pang Steam Deck. So it's not really a requirement na dapat may Steam Deck ka. And yeah, I'll be choosing a lucky winner and I'll be sending you this for free plus a pair of Steam Deck analog grips. And also, watch out for my next video. Iko-compare natin yung Steam Deck sa laptop, sa Switch, sa PS5, or whatever, PS4, sa PC, para mas mapadali ang iyong buying decision. So, again, this is Ian. Kita tayo next time. So, wala siyang any types. Wala siyang any forms. So, wala siyang any forms or type of grip or texture. So, wala siyang any types of form or grip. What crap?